Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So pretty much what we have for today's episode is pretty much a really cool product, but let's actually open up and show you guys what it is first. So right inside here, let me take it out and show you guys what it is. So if you guys can see, this is what it looks like. So the light will be right here that shines directly onto you. They have a clip right here where you can actually clip it anywhere, and this clip is not small, it's actually quite big, so you can literally just put this anywhere. And then it uses a USB to power up the device to activate it. But you guys can see right here we have some controls as well. So you can see there's different modes on here, but let's actually turn it on and show you guys what it looks like and how it works first. So you can see how bright it gets. It actually gets quite bright, but let me turn off the light so you can see it better. So the light is like quite amazing, and you guys can control how bright you guys want it on the actual product right here. So there's a plus, minus, and there's other button right here. We'll find out what it does. The middle button of like the shuffle button, I guess you guys can shuffle the different light settings. So if you can see the light color changes to different type of light. So I think I prefer this one out of all the lights, but let me show you guys the three options. So this is 1, 2, 3. Let me see how bright it can get and how low it can get for like the brightness. So that's the brightest it can get for that setting. That's the brightest you can get for that setting. And that's the brightest you can get for this setting. So I think this is the brightest light setting out of all of them. And if you guys turn it to the lowest, that's the lowest setting of how low it can get. So that's quite nice, and the fact that you guys can actually just put this anywhere, like literally anywhere, and all you have to do is just clip it on. So inside the box they also provide you a warranty card and also some instruction guide on how to set up the product. So one of the cool functionalities on this light that a lot of other products does not have is the fact that it has an auto shut off mode. So if you press and hold down the power button for like a second or so, so right here if you hold it for like a second or so, it will turn on the auto shut off mode, where if you leave it on for 1 minute, it'll turn off after 1 minute. And probably one of the coolest thing about this product is the fact that you guys can actually flex this however you guys want. So it's a gooseneck that you can literally just flex anywhere however you guys want. You guys can flex like that. I don't know why you guys want to do that, but you guys can do it any different angle, twist this 360, twist it like that, twist it backwards. Especially since this uses a USB port, you guys can literally just use it anywhere. You guys can just plug it into a power bank, plug it into your computer, plug it into a wall outlet, like literally whatever you guys want to plug it into. But now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $15, and for that price range would I say that's actually worth it or not. So if you're a student or someone who studies a lot or just likes to read or do something at night, then this product would really be worth it. And even if you guys don't use it at night, you guys can still use this in the morning or any time that you guys are in dark surrounding or dark environment. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, yes, this product is worth it if you guys do need this product and plan on using it quite often, especially if you guys are doing stuff in the dark and you need a light, then this is definitely really worth it. If you guys are someone who don't really need this or don't plan on using it too much, then obviously don't buy it because you guys don't need it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback on product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have